So guys, this is what's my quick dinner. I have a package of vegetable pasta and the ultimate beefless ground, which tastes just like ground turkey meat. Or if you eat ground beef, this tastes just like beef, I'm assuming. But it tastes just like ground turkey. You could season it as if you're making ground meat with your lasagna, your pasta, your meatballs, or however you like it. I like it with the pasta and with my groundless ground and tomato sauce. So let's get going. So my oil has been heating in my cast iron. I'm gonna go in with the onions. We're gonna give this a little toss. Let this cook up for maybe just give it 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go in with our garlic. Okay, so as you can see, the onions are in and it's nice and golden brown. I just went in with my garlic, let that fry up for a little bit, and it's gonna give, this garlic and pepper is gonna give your ground meatless dish a really good taste to it. You could go in with some extra seasonings if you wish, salt to taste, black pepper, basil if you have fresh basil, or dry basil, that's fine. You could also go in with some oregano once the groundless beef goes into the pan. So let's toss this up and I'll get back with the ground meat. So everything has been sauteing, the garlic and the onions. I'm going to go in with my groundless beef. So that's a whole package. I'm going to go in with my salt, and like I said, you could go in with some extra seasoning if you wish, such as basil, fresh herbs, your basil, your thyme, or oregano if you have it fresh. If not, you can use the dry ones as well. We're going to render this down just for a few minutes because we're going to go in with our spaghetti sauce and our pasta. Alright guys, so my groundless beef has been sauteing in the pan for about a good 3 minutes. I went in with my seasoning, my fresh seasoning that I had drying up, the basil and rosemary. So I let that saute for another minute just so the juices could be released out of the dry seasoning. I'm going to go in now with my tomato sauce. And I'm going to go in with a cup for now, just to see how much it is. I think a cup would do for me, but if you like your pasta and your meat a little bit more saucier, you could do so. But I'm going to go in with just 1 cup. And it looks really good. If you could smell this, it smells delicious. With the garlic, with the basil that I just put in, and the thyme that I just put in, it's delicious. Let's cook this up for just so the sauce could get heated up within the groundless beef. Let this heat up for a good 3 minutes. Okay, so my ground meat has been sauteing in spaghetti sauce and the seasoning with my herbs and garlic and onion. I'm now gonna go in with my bag of frozen pasta and zucchini. Gonna give this a toss up in the meat sauce. I like it like this way. You could do it in the microwave. It does suggest that you do it in the microwave, but I like to do it this way. What I'm also going to do, just so it has a little bit of liquid, is pour in about a 1/4 cup of liquid, just so this could get a little bit juicier and liquid here with the pasta, so the pasta could cook. The pasta needs to cook at least 6 to 8 minutes. So you're going to check this periodically. Give it another good toss up, and then I'll show you at the end point on how this does. And here we have it, guys. We have our vegan pasta with our ground beefless sauce. I went in with a little bit of my Parmesan cheese. I couldn't resist it. And a little bit of cilantro on top for decorations and for a great taste. It was just a different twist on me. Since I'm fasting, I went ahead and went with this all vegan dish. So, you know, for those who are fasting or vegans, this is a great option for trying out. And I'm telling you guys, this meatless beef, ground beef, is delicious. I usually make taco night. I have, as you can see with the pasta, I also make this into my lettuce wrap, which is actually really, really good with my lettuce wrap and vegetables. So give it a shot. Tell us what you think.